watched the video, I wanted to let you know I'm doing a giveaway, and this is because all you guys helped the channel get to 700 subscribers, so I just wanted to do a little something to show my appreciation, but I really want you to win. So all you gotta do is click on the link down in the description, and all you have to do is provide your email, and that's it. And then there's like a bunch of ways you can get extra entries, but the giveaway is for a TerraFlex 2-inch coil puck spacer lift for the WJ. If you don't have a WJ and you're a master fabricator or a DIY or modifier, maybe you can get it to fit your application. Or if you know somebody who's gonna get a WJ or wants a WJ or whatever, get it for them. Or at the least, sell it. I don't know. Get some gas money. It's probably what I would do. Anyways, yeah, so check that out. The link's down in the description. And yeah, hope you liked the video. What's up? It's your boy, Big Means for She's back out you in this thing, baby. All right. Today on the Jeep WJ Rebuild Chronicles Part 2. I think that's how you say that. But, you know, Part 2. Remember that? I don't know. Anyways. I got to take my front drive shaft out. I haven't serviced it in a while. Meaning I haven't greased it. And da-da-da. Man, I've been just running this Jeep. I got to do better. We got to do better. So we're going to take it out. This drive shaft is from Northwest Drivelines out in Fife, Washington. So we're going to just yank this thing out real quick. And I'll show you kind of what's going on with it, because I want to see what's going on with it too. So let's get that thing out. Again, it's the front one, so I don't know from this angle if you can see it, but it's up in there. So let's get up under there. All right, so up in there, that's the double cardon style, but I have the stock yoke. I didn't do the other kind of yoke that's on there. Whew, look at all this mud. Good Lord, have mercy. I need to get up under here. Dang, I ain't been up in here. Sheesh. Anyways, don't judge me. And then we just got the, oh man, I forgot I gotta do that too. My, the breather tube. Yeah, I gotta do that again. I probably got all kind of water in my front diff, which is something we'll get to, because I got a whole bunch of things to get to in these Rebuild Chronicles. Anyways, so the 4 8mm bolts, and then those jackals right in there, and then this bad boy will slide on out. So am I gonna start with those or start with those? I'll probably start with these ones because they're the toughest. So let's get after that. It's definitely a good idea to clean your Jeep before you work on it. Don't do like this. Because one, in these threads, there's a bunch of dirt, and that's going to make it even harder to get these bolts out. I tell you what, though, before this thing go back in, yeah, I'm up under here for sure. Whew, it needs a good pressure washing. I wish I had a lift and I can just really pressure wash, because this thing is coated. It's good rust prevention, though, I think. Man, this is one tedious mother stinking process right here. There's probably a better tool, but I don't have it. So this is, oh son of a, look at all that dirt. All right, let's just get to it. Well, I got one out. Now we're working on number 2. So number 2. Switch. Whoo, snap. Uh-oh. Look up. Number 2. Okay, so got these 2 out. There's 2 on the other side, but I gotta get this to turn. So now I gotta get the Jeep to go this way or, that way. I mean, yeah, that way. All right, got all those out. So generally, you can kind of see it starting to break away right there. I will get it out of there, but it's starting to separate. Ugh. All right, man, so we got that thing out. Well, that side out, excuse me. Now, we just gotta get this side out. This will be something we tend to later on in these Chronicles. But 1, 2, 3, 4, then this whole shaft should come on out. So, lefty loosey, right 'em and tight 'em in on this 8-inch. Wish me luck. Oh, joy. Love it when that happens, yeah. Hey there. One down, 3 to go. Okay, so the moment of truth. We got all 8 bolts out, so should just slide on right out. Here we go. Let's see, without breaking anything. Oh, so that came out, and back up in there. Hopefully y'all can see that somewhere. No, we'll see. Oh. All right, got him on out of there, baby. Let me slide up out of this dirty rat. Oh. So this, my friends, is my let's see. Oh, Drivelines Northwest. Sorry, I said Northwest Drivelines, but Drivelines Northwest. Sorry, that's upside down, but you get it. Boom. So I got the double cardon, but I got it where this piece adapts to the stock yoke that's on this Jeep. The stock yoke actually has 6 holes, so this one doesn't have the 2 right here, but that's because that's where these are at. But it does have the 4. They hold on strong, not strong, with a little blue Loctite. So in there, doing some weird stuff, but since I got it out, I'm gonna take it in. I don't really hear nothing right now. This might actually still be good, but I'm gonna have them take a look at it. In a few minutes, I'm gonna rinse it off, just kind of get some of the dirt off of it. And, you know, obviously have them check my, those seem pretty good, you know what I mean? So I'll have them just inspect those for me. And yeah, feels good. So the U-joint feels good. Shaft still good. I usually keep that greased. It's just trying to get in here is the tough part. There's a grease fitting, I think, right in there. But anyways, go get that service. Make sure Hims is good. Bring them back and get it crack-a-lackin'. So that's gonna wrap up episode 2 of the Jeep WJ Rebuild Chronicles. More to come. Yeah, stay tuned because we about to get into a lot of stuff. Don't forget we got the giveaway, you know what I mean? Since y'all helped y'all boy get the channel to 700 subscribers. Ooh, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all so much. It means the world, for real, for real. So yeah, don't forget in the description down below, there's a link so you guys can enter to win the TerraFlex 2-inch coil spacers. They're vehicles, well, I bought them for the WJ, but you can modify them or fabricate them however you want to do. So they'll be going to one of you lucky subscribers. Tell your friends, share this video, get some more, or maybe you don't and give you, you know, a better chance of winning. Either way, let's get it going. Again, follow your boy on Instagram and TikTok at FeelNominal. And other than that, y'all already know what to do. Be easy. Let's dim in the light. What's up? It's your boy back in this thing. Got it. Success, baby. Yeah.